Hi students, welcome back to the Lavanya chemistry classes. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to calculate pH of acids as well as bases. Before we are going to discuss this topic, I request all of you friends, please subscribe my channel. Now moving to the topic, calculate the pH of 0.01 molar HCl. Calculate the pH of 0.01 molar HCl. This is question. In examination, they are asking like this question: calculate the pH of 0.01 molar HCl. HCl we call the name as hydrochloric acid. We are know HCl is a acid. And HCl is strong acid. HCl is strong acid and it is a monobasic acid. HCl is a strong acid and it is a monobasic acid. Because we are called it as monobasic acid mean the H plus ions are tells monobasic acid. So how many H plus ions are there? 1. So it is a monobasic acid. Now concentration of H plus ions. The square brackets represents concentration. The concentration of H plus ions that is equal to molarity into basicity. Molarity into basicity. We are calculating concentration of acid. We are calculating concentration of acid. In this problem, how much of molarity are given? 0.01 and basicity is 1. The power it can be written in powers. It is a 10 power minus 2. Now we are calculating pH. pH equal to minus log 10 concentration of H plus ion. It is the pH formula. So we put concentration of H plus ion. So the concentration of H plus ion is 10 power minus 2. The minus 2 can be like this. So we are put concentration of H plus ion, that is the 10 power minus 2. The minus 2 like this, writing like this, minus of minus 2 log 10. Log 10 value becomes 1. Already we know log 10 value is 1. So minus of minus 2 is the plus 2. So the pH value is 2. The pH value is 2. The 2 is the pH of 0.01 molar HCl. This is the answer. Okay students, how to calculate pH? We are given 0.01 mole of HCl is 2. Okay, and we are going to next problem. Calculate the pH of 10 power minus 3 molar H2SO4. Calculate the pH of 10 power minus 3 molar H2SO4. H2SO4 we call the name as strong acid and we call the name as sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is a strong acid and it is a dibasic acid. It is a H2SO4 is a dibasic acid. Di means 2. In this H2SO4, the 2 H plus ions are formed. So it is a dibasic acid. Now we are calculate concentration of H plus. The concentration of H plus means in the first problem the concentration of H plus equal to molarity into basicity. Because we are writing basicity means in this problem given acids. So the concentration of H plus equal to molarity into basicity. Molarity into basicity. So normality equal to m into n. 10 power minus 3 into the basicity is 2. So 2 into 10 power minus 3. In this pH equal to minus log of concentration of H plus and base 10. The concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 3 into 2. So the value is put in the concentration of H plus ions 10 power minus 3 into 2. So we are all know log AB equal to log A plus log B. We are writing log AB is equal to log A plus log B. So in term we are writing like this: minus of log 10 power minus 3 by 10 minus of log 10 power minus 3 base 10 plus, because it is a we are AB, so log 2, log A plus log 2. The minus is common for both. So in this minus 3, 10 power minus 3, the 3 comes to the front side. So minus of minus 3 log 10. Log 10 value is 1. Log 10 value is 1. So minus of minus 3 is the plus 3. And log 2. Log 10, what is the log 10 value? 0.3010. 3 minus log 10 2 value is 0.3010. So we put log 2 value. Log 2 is 0.3010. In this log 2 value, 3 minus 0.3010, it becomes 2.699. It is the pH of 10 power minus 3 molar H2SO4. Okay students, are you understood this type of questions? Calculate pH. It is a given acid. And the next problem is like this. Calculate the pH of 10 power minus 6 molar HNO3. Calculate the pH of 10 power minus 6 molar HNO3. HNO3 we call the name as nitric acid. HNO3 is the nitric acid. Now we are calculating pH of 10 power minus 6 molar HNO3. The nitric acid is a strong acid, we are know, and it is a monobasic acid. Because the basicity is equal to base by like this. So in this H plus ions are only one H plus ion is there. So it is a monobasic acid. Now we are calculating concentration of H plus. Already I told you concentration, the square brackets represents concentration. So the concentration of proton is equal to molarity into basicity. The basicity means the basicity is 1 because it is a monobasic acid. And the problem, in this problem, the number of molarity is equal to 10 power minus 6. So we are like this 10 power minus 6 and pH equal to minus log 10 concentration of H plus. The concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 6. Concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 6. And the minus 6 becomes front side. So minus of minus 6 log 10. Log 10 value is 1. Log 10 value is 1. So minus of minus 6 is becomes plus 6. Okay students. So the pH is plus 6. 6 is the pH of 10 power minus 6 molar HNO3. Okay students, understood? And the next problem is like this. Calculate the pH of 0.02 molar H2SO4. Calculate the pH of 0.02 molar H2SO4. H2SO4 we call the name as sulfuric acid. How many number of molarity is 0.02 molarity of H2SO4 are given. And also we are know H2SO4 is a strong acid and also it is a dibasic acid because the number of protons are 2 H plus ions and SO4 minus 2. So it is the basicity becomes 2. The basicity becomes 2. And now we are calculating concentration of H plus ions, that is equal to molarity into basicity. Molarity into basicity. In this problem, the molarity is 0.02 and the basicity is 2. Okay students, the molarity is 0.02 is given in this problem and basicity is in H2SO4 is 2. So 0.04. So we are writing like this, 2 into 4 into 10 power minus 2. 4 into 10 power minus 2. Okay. So the concentration of H plus ion is 4 into 10 power minus 2. Now we are calculating pH of 0.02 molar H2SO4. The pH formula is minus log of 10 power H plus. Concentration of H plus. The concentration of H plus is 4 into 10 power minus 2 and base 10. Okay. Log AB equal to log A plus log B. So now we are writing log A by B equal to log A minus log B. So it is in the form is like this, log AB. So we are writing like this, log A plus log B. Okay. So log A is the 4 and log B is the, log A is 4 and B is the 10 power minus 2. So I divided like this, log A and log B form. And log 4 minus of minus 2 is becomes plus 2. So log 10 value is 1 and minus log 4 plus 2. Log 4 value is 0.6021. Already we know log 4 value is 0.6021. So I am writing like this, minus log 2 minus 0.6021. Okay students, so the value of pH becomes 1.3979. Okay, 1.3979. 1.39 is answer. 1.3979 of pH of 0.2 molar H2SO4 is 1.3979. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and like it, share it.